All that for what? He's still what speed to go? Look at this guy. Look. I'm giving him all the slowing down, giving all the, and he's still not merging. This is why I don't like to let people in, because no matter how much I try to let them in, they're like, I'm slowing down way below the limit just to let him in, and he's still like, you know, like, oh, and then you get some people like, oh, why you didn't let him in? Because they don't know how to merge, and I have the right of way. I don't have to, but out of courtesy, sometimes I do. And when I try to be nice,